Hi guys, and today I'll be telling you about the new yeeps and sync update. You might know that we got a new item called the furnace, and it's kind of like let me get it out. This is like my favorite item so far. It's kind of like this with a button, but instead of like having a button like this, but the more times you press the button, it adds a if I press this button and then if I press it again, it'll add another. And then I can press this. Then when I press it again, it'll add another. But that's normal, I think. Let me demonstrate. Put this in here, that's one. Put this in here, that's another. Put this in here, that's the third one. Now keep the light on. Like right now, like I came up with a mini game. So the furnace is on. Like let's just say like you basically make like a mini campground thing, and you have to keep the furnace on to keep the light on. And like a mini game where like you only get like a tiny bit of cotton, like every like few seconds, like a door will open up and you'll have to go in there and refill up on cotton and keep the furnace lit. And that's the brand new furnace.